The Canadian firearms application process functions as a series of fixed objective requirements. Every stage, from safety training to the final background check, is a concrete item on a rigid federal checklist. By following each specific requirement exactly, you can assemble an application package that is ready for approval on the first try. Before beginning the paperwork, you need to budget between $400 and $700 Canadian dollars for your courses, photos, and fees. You also need to identify 2 reliable references who have known you for more than 3 years. Securing these prerequisites before you start prevents the common clerical errors that cause the RCMP to return applications. Your first decision is the type of license you need. The standard non-restricted PAL covers hunting rifles and shotguns, while the restricted PAL, or RPAL, is required for handguns and specific semi-automatic rifles. For a standard PAL, you complete the Canadian Firearms Safety Course and pay $69.20. For an RPAL, you complete both the CFSC and the Restricted CRFSC for $92.27. These conclude with written and practical exams. You must score at least 80% on every component. After passing these exams, you have a 60-day window to submit your application to the RCMP. These test results serve as the legal proof of your competency, and they must be included in your package before any paperwork can be processed. Once your testing is complete, you need to gather 3 physical documents: your safety course results, a valid government photo ID, and 2 passport-style photographs. The photograph is one of the most common causes of application delay because the physical requirements are so narrow. On the left is a properly lit, correctly sized passport photo signed by a guarantor. On the right is a casual photo. The RCMP will automatically reject any application that submits a photo like the one on the right. A guarantor or safety instructor who has known you for at least 1 year must sign and date the back of one photograph, providing their printed name to verify your identity. The RCMP uses this specific image for your physical ID card, so matching these dimensions exactly is the most effective way to avoid an immediate rejection. The central document for your application is RCMP Form 5592. As you can see highlighted here, leaving a single signature line or date field blank will halt the review process. Check that the address you provide on the form matches the address on your government-issued ID exactly. Any discrepancy between these 2 documents can trigger a manual review. In the reference section, you are required to provide contact information for 2 people who have known you for at least 3 years. The RCMP contacts these individuals to verify your personal history. They should be prepared to answer a phone call from an unknown number. If an investigator is unable to reach your references during the background check, the processing of your application will stop. Review the entire document one last time to ensure no fields are left blank and every required signature is present. Because Form 5592 is a legal declaration, a single clerical mismatch will stall the 45-day review window. Now clip your safety course results, the copy of your ID, and your signed photographs to the completed application form. Include payment for the correct amount, $69.20 for non-restricted, or $92.27 if you are applying for a restricted license. If the credit card provided on your application is lost or blocked while the package is in the mail, the RCMP will be unable to process the fee. If this occurs, you can update your payment information through the RCMP online portal or by calling 1-800-731-4000 and selecting option 5. Communicating payment changes immediately prevents your application from being discarded after your background check is already complete. Your complete application package is now sealed and ready for the mail. Once the RCMP officially receives your application, the standard processing time for first-time applicants is 45 days. During this window, the RCMP conducts a comprehensive background check covering your criminal history, mental health records, and domestic records. As soon as you mail the package, notify your references that the background check interviews are imminent. This level of preparation ensures that you move through the federal requirements without delays, leading to legal, responsible firearms